Hello everybody and welcome back to another Vada's Venture. Today we are going to be working on my lawnmower this time.
Alright, everybody. So, why do ghosts make terrible liars?
So mine's running okay, but sometimes I have trouble starting it. Originally this was the gas tank. This was the fill, the tank sat here, and this was the gauge. And my battery sat here on a plate. The gas tank cracked, so I took it out, bought an under hood gas tank and set it there. And then I shoved this between the frame so that my battery could sit here. Well, when I ran this, I apparently didn't do a good job because I don't always have a solid connection here. And I figured that out last time I tried mowing. I thought I had a dead battery, ended up not having a dead battery. It was just, if I jiggled that just right, I can get the mower to start. So I went to the parts store, bought a thicker gauge wire. So I'm going to see if I can run this the way I have it, but this time I'm going to make it a little bit easier on myself and take this whole body panel. It's all one piece. This whole red piece is one. So I'm going to take it off and see if I can get in here. But yeah, I'm just working on that battery cable today, and I'm just going to bring you all along. Alright, so I definitely think this end was the problem, not the cable itself. I also didn't take this apart to pull this out. This is the wire that goes to the key, and when I cut the old one off, I just cheated, laid the two on top of each other. So this time I'm gonna do it right because it's caused me headache. So what I'm doing now is testing to see if this is connected properly. So what I'm doing is using my multimeter to see if I have proper connection. And with this multimeter, I can get it to make a sound when there's a proper connection. So with this one in particular, all I gotta do is turn it all the way up here to ohms with the noise. And if I click this button, it'll make sound if it detects continuity. Have this one just grab here. And then stick this one into the cable. So I don't need to take this side off. And I intertwined them the way I did so that I can make sure that it has connection properly. So this time I want to make sure this has connection too, because this goes to the key. So I'm going to test this and this. So again, that goes there. That goes there. Connection. Connection. Put it back on. See if it works. Alright guys, so because I ran this ground wire to this bolt on the other side, it's super close to that one. So I don't want them touching and grounding out right there and causing problems. So I'm going to switch it to this side. And this side looks iffy, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it as well. Alright guys, that just goes to show you do it right the first time, it'll work.
Alright everybody, so that's going to be it for this week's video. So why do ghosts make terrible liars? Because you can see right through them. Alright guys, so that's going to be it. I hope y'all enjoyed this week's video. This one, it should have never happened. I should have done it right from the get-go, but it happened and I learned from my mistake. I hope it helps y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoy it. Join us next week for another Valdez adventure, and y'all have a blessed day.